Hey guys, and welcome to another video, and today it's in Ratchet Deadlocked. I'm going to show you how to get lots of bolts in the game. So it's this thing there's this challenge where you will have to fill your turrets with the bolts mod, alpha mod, the shock mod, and then pretty much just put the weapon you want with the shock mod as well, I think. So you'll have to come to this specific challenge, which is the end zone challenge. End zone for the win, obviously. Let's do it. Oh, right here, end zone. So just toss out your turrets. Throw out all your turrets. Then pick up your weapon and just start shooting randomly. Of course, if you stand still, it'll be better, I think. Eventually you'll start getting lots of bolts. As you can see, I already have 100,000 gained. So it's fucking awesome to get a lot of bolts. And you just keep getting them. Now there's this trick that actually makes you to get even more than I have on the screen appearing. But I'm not really sure how to just keep shooting every single one of your weapons. Now it's actually starting to kick in, if you know what I mean. Yeah, this is what I usually do. I just pick up all of my weapon, I throw all of them turrets, then I pick every single weapon and start shooting randomly. You just simply have to hold R1, don't need to keep tapping it. Like this, yeah. Yeah, it looks a bit tedious, but that's pretty much how to do it. And as you can see, I'm nearly at 19 million, sorry. And I start this with 17 million and something. And I might even get to 20 million here. So, hell yeah, I guess. Even in the mines, through all of them. Yeah, that's the wind. Just doing stuff here. Now, the rest of them guns, or weapons. Bam. Yep, truly a lot of cash that you get. And with the shock mod, even better. And then, Levine Flail, obviously. Best weapon in the game. I might even get to 20 million somehow, I think. Or not, I don't know. Nope, I'm not gonna get it. That's basically the idea, so just do it and you'll get a lot of bolts. But I think you can get more if all of your weapons have the bolt mod, which is a thing I forgot to. And I'm gonna put the turrets back to the XP mod. Yeah, I have infinite XP and ammo mods. It's fucking awesome. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye.